Hi everyone, and today we're finally putting some color and clear on our parts. Hi everybody, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So today we're heading out to the paint booth. It's actually the middle of the week, and I'm taking time off of work to go do this. And, for me, I'm always like against schedules, and I got shipping schedules and different things like that. And I'm like, you know what? Whatever happens, happens. I just got to relax and do whatever it takes to get this done. Now, I'm cruising in early in the morning, like 6:30. And so, if hopefully I'm out of there by 12 and then I could get back to work. But in any case, there's going to be a few things different about this experience. One is I've been there before. I know what to expect. So I'm not wearing nylon anymore. I have this nice cotton shirt. The gun's going to be different because the primer gun is a 1.8 primer gun. This is a 1.3 for the color and the clear. And so that's going to be a little different. So we're going to have to reset up the gun specifically for each product. And of course, my friend Greg's going to be there to help me out. And we're also doing stuff a little different in the sense that the big parts I'm still going to strap to the iron bars like I did before. But with the smaller parts, they have these special hooks that I didn't know about. And that's going to allow me to actually pull the product off the rack, spray it so I could see it in the light, and then set it back on the rack. And so it's nice and removable, which is pretty cool. So I'm looking really forward to today. Hopefully I'm not spraying a bunch of runs or anything like that. I don't expect that, but you just don't know. And we'll go from there. So, if I do get a drip, what do I do?
Nothing.
You want to just save it off later, is that
Yeah.
the deal?
You know, because of little pieces like this, if you get a big old drip or a sag and a big, in the door you're doing, you gotta sand it flat and buff it, you know, you're gonna sand it buff anyhow.
Right.
On a piece like this, if you get a drip and just sand it out and just reshoot the clear on.
Well, you know, with me, I think you can probably tell is I ask a lot of questions. And I don't want to say I don't have a clue what's going on, but it seems like I don't have a clue what's going on. It's just because I need a shitload of context. But it's the context that makes the difference, right? You know what I mean? And so once I get that context, it's like, all right, you know, and then I do a decent job. Beautiful. So as you can see, the parts just came out amazing. I'm really happy with the work I did, and I'm so thankful to Greg to like taking me under his wing and show me the ropes. And there's virtually no drips. I haven't seen any runs or anything like that, so that's amazing. And it was really funny because in the middle of it, I was talking to Greg and I'm like, so, you know, what compound do you use, you know, to start buffing all these parts out and all that stuff? And he looks at me and he's like, you really hate yourself, don't you? I'm like, what are you talking about? He's like, you can't buff these parts, man. You gotta just shoot them the way you want it. You shoot them wet with the clear and it dries that way because, you know, it has a catalyst in it, so it's going to dry really quick. He goes, you know, you just can't get a buffing wheel on these things. They're just too small of parts and stuff like that. So you just got to paint it the way you want it. So in any case, it came out great. You'll see some of the results in some of the next videos. And I'm just really ecstatic. This was like a big milestone for me. And have a great day.